Today we will solve add 1 to a linked list number. Okay, so here they are given a linked list where each element in the list is a node and have an integer data. Okay, and you need to add 1 to the number formed by concatenating all the list node numbers together and return the head of the modified linked list. For example, you have linked list given 4, 5, 6 and we have to add one node. So if we add the one node in the linked list, the result will be 4, 5, 7, and we have to return the head of the linked list, that is 4. Okay, of the updated linked list. For example, if you have data like 1, 2, 3, and if we add one node into the linked list, so the answer will be 1 to 4, right? And we will get also another example, like we have an, for example, we have a linked list like 9, 9 and 9, and last is null, and we have to add 1 in it. In that case, what we will do, 9 plus 1 is 10, so we have to return 0 over there. Again 1 will be carry over there, so it will be 1 plus 9, that is again 0, and again it will be 9 plus 1 carry over there, so it will be 0, and at last we have to add one more link, a more node, if our carry is 1, so we have to return 100 and it is null. So we will solve the problem using recursion. So what we will do, first we write a function that is find carry, and we will pass temp to the function. Okay, for example, we have linked list like 9 over there, 8 over there, and 7 over there, for example 7 over there, and at last null. So what we will do, we will reach till the end, that is we will recursively call the function and we will reach till the next, and at the when our temp is equals to null, and that we will return 1, so it will be over there. So we'll see how it will be work. If it is 1 carry, so we will add in that node, add in the 7. Okay, so it will be 8, right? And then we will check if it is less than 10. If it is carefully listen, if it is less than 10, then we will return 0 to the next function, right? It will be 8, so it will be less than 10, so we'll return 0 to the function, that means carry is 0, so it will do nothing, and again it will carry to the it is again return 0 to the next function. Okay, for example, if we write we have a 9, we have an again 9, we have an again 9. Okay, so in that case, what we will do, we will reach till the next, we will check. Okay, then we have a carry of 1. Okay, carry of 1, right? So what we will do, we will add that 1 to the temp node, right? So temp node, it will be then it will be 10, and yes, it is less than it is equals to 10, right? It is not less than 10, right? It is equals to 10. In that case, we will update again the temp dot data to 0 and return 1 to the next node, right? Again we will add and we will update its 10, but it is equals to 10, so we will update the data to the 0, and we will again return the 1 to the head node, that is next node. So in that case, it is again 10, and yes, it is again equals to 10, right? So it will be a 0 and carry 1, and we will in the main function, what we'll write, if it is carry equals to 1, in that case we will create a new node and attach that node, and create that node as a head node, and we will return the new head, right? That is 1. So it will be 1, 0, 0, 0, and the end of the linked list, right? End of the linked list. Okay, so we'll write the code for the same. For example, we use the okay, we'll write the code for the same. Okay, what we will do, first we will create a function to find the carry. Okay, so here I will write int carry. Okay, it is the carry if for example, if it is at last, it will, if it is written 1, in that case we will create a new node. If it is the carry value is 1, we will see the how it works. So I will return a find carry function, and in that I will pass the head node. Okay, so I will write the find carry function, int find carry function, and I will pass node star temp. What is our base case? Our base case is if temp is equals to null. If it temp is equal to null, in that case, what it will say? It will say you reached at the end of the linked list. In that case, we will return the carry one, as we have to reach at the end of the linked list, right? If you see 1 2 3 and then one will be added, so you have to reach at the end, and whenever you reach at the end, the carry will be 1. Okay, so you will return carry is equals to carry equals to 1 only. Okay, or not carry equals to 1, you will returning 1. Okay, you will return 1, right? Then what you will do, you have to reach at the end of the linked list, right? So in that case, you will write int carry equals to find carry recursively, you will call, and what you will pass, what you will pass, you will pass the temp dot next, right? Temp dot next. So what it will do, it will again call the same function. It will again call to the, so a stack is maintained of the function call, right? Okay, we will see if we have time at the last. Okay, so int carry equals to find carry temp dot next. Okay, okay, after that what we will do, temp dot data temp dot data, we will add that carry to the temp dot data. Okay, so temp dot data equals to or plus equals to temp dot data will add the carry. Okay, then we will check if our temp dot data is less than 10. If it is less than 10, then what we will say, it is okay. Then in that case we'll directly return 0. Okay, but if it is not, if our any node contains 10 or value equals to 10 or greater than 10, in that case what we will do, we'll simply temp equals to temp dot data, return temp dot data equals to 0, and we will uh, forward the carry to the next function, to the next call. Okay, so it will be return 1. Okay, and if now this will function works well for to find the carry, if it is reached at the head node, if this find carry whenever so if it is reached at the head node and it have carry. Okay, it is reached at the head node, still it have carry, means if carry is equals to if carry if carry is equals to 1. Okay, so this means this is the case where see this is the this case, matlab this is reached at the head node, still it have carry. That means in that case we will need to create a new node, right? So we'll create a new node, that is node star new head. We'll name it as new head, which is node equals to new node, and we'll pass 1 to it. Okay, it's not attempt dot data. Okay, and what we'll do, new head next is equals to our head, right? And we'll return new head, right? And if there is no carry, in that case we will directly return our head. Okay, now we will try to submit, we will try to run it. Okay, there is a compilation error. What it says, p, okay, sorry, I have to use, okay, I am a Java programmer, so that's why I have the practice of dot operator. Okay. So we try to run it again. Okay, there is again, okay, temp.data. Where is temp.data? I have to update it. Okay, again I will, okay, there is also problem out there. Okay, is there is any now? Okay, there is nothing. Okay, okay, now it works well. Now we'll try to submit it. Yes, it's working well. Okay, so our program works well. Now, okay, we will check now how it's working. Okay, for example, I have a template. Let us suppose we have an array of like 1, 6, and again 7, and we have null. Okay, so for first call, see, oh, okay, sorry, this is 2. Okay, okay, so this is what the function is. We copied. So for first function, what we will do, we will first call this as find carry, right, for 1. So it will be first call for find carry, that is find carry of 1. Okay, in that it will again call, temp is the temp, that is one node is null, no. So in that case it will be carry equals to again find carry. So it will be go to the next node, find carry of 6. Find carry of 6, is the 6 is null, no. So it will again call find carry of find carry of, I just update the size. Okay. So it will be more visible to all. Okay, so in 5 6 it will call the 7. If 7 is null, if temp equals to null, return 1. If it is null, then it will return 1, but it is not null. Okay, so it will again call the temp. Now it will call the find of carry of null. Okay, find carry of null. So temp equals to null, yes. In that case, it will return 1 to the 7. Okay, I will draw the carry. So it will return what? It will return 1 to the find carry of 7. Okay, so in the find 7, I have a carry of 1. So what it will do? It will just temp.data. It will add the 1 into it. So it will be updated as 8. And yes, it is less than 10. Yes, it is less than 10. So you will for the backward function, you return 0. So in that case it will return 0 to it. It will again plus equals to carry, so it will be again 6. 6 is plus equal 6 plus 0 is 6 again. It will again return, it is less than 10, so it will again return 0 to it, so it will be 0. And this function is called from some another function. In that function we will also checking if there is carry or not. So this function, that is find carry of 1, again return 0 to it, and we will just simply return the head of the linked list. Okay, if you found it useful, like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.